In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare domains in Semrush. Whether you're sizing up competitors or benchmarking your own sites, the compare feature gives you a quick, side-by-side view of the most important stats. Start by opening Semrush and landing on the main dashboard. From here, look to the left sidebar. Click on SEO to expand the SEO tools. Under the competitive analysis section, choose Compare Domains. This takes you to a dedicated page built for stacking websites against each other. At the top of the page, you'll see a search field. Click into it and type the first domain you want to analyze. You can keep adding more domains in the same field, and Semrush will line them up for comparison. When you've added the sites you want, hit Search. That single click pulls data for all the domains you entered and lays it out on one screen, so you can scan differences without jumping between multiple reports. If you're using a free trial, you may notice this feature is locked. That's normal. Semrush often reserves side-by-side comparisons for paid plans. Even so, the page typically shows an example of what a domain comparison looks like. Use that sample view to get familiar with the layout and the kinds of insights you'll get once it's unlocked. In a typical comparison, you'll see high-level metrics like estimated organic traffic and keyword counts, along with areas of overlap and gaps between the domains. Visuals usually highlight shared keywords, unique opportunities for each site, and trends over time. You'll also find data points related to backlinks and authority, which help you understand who is earning links and where. The goal is to quickly spot who leads in visibility, where they lead, and how wide the gap is. A couple of tips as you explore the example view or your own results. Make sure you're comparing similar types of sites to keep the insights meaningful, and take note of regional or language differences that might affect traffic numbers. Remember that the data is directional rather than exact, so focus on patterns and relative strengths, not tiny fluctuations. And that's the process. Go to the dashboard, open SEO, choose Compare Domains under Competitive Analysis, add the domains you care about, and press Search. Whether you're previewing the example on a trial or running a full report, you'll have a clear, organized snapshot of how those domains stack up.